Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set birthday reminder in Android phone. We start by finding and opening the calendar application on our phone. Next, we are going to go to the birthday we want, and then click on the add icon. After that, we will be able to add the data for this reminder by choosing how long the event lasts and when we want to be reminded. We can also choose whether we want it to be repeated or not. Once we finish, click on the top icon to apply changes, and we will have our reminder configured. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.